welcome back. Hey, today I'm going to try something new. I found this box. I call it Gnocchi. The back of the box says it's pronounced Gnocchi. See? Right there, Gnocchi. So, however it's pronounced, forgive me if I pronounce it incorrectly, for those of you who eat this all the time. But, you know, I love trying new things, and I thought to myself, I've never had this before. This will be a first for me. So I thought to myself, I'm going to try it. And I saw this recipe online, and in the recipe it had gnocchi, Brussels sprouts fried in butter and garlic and onion. And I thought, oh my God, that just sounds just amazing. So I'm going to tweak it a little bit. I'm going to put some bacon in there with it too. So we're going to cook this together. Stick around. Okay, I'm going to start with putting about half of a tablespoon into my pan. Okay, I have half of a tablespoon of butter into my pan, and I'm going to add in my Brussels sprouts. Came up to about a half of a bag, if you could see. So what is that? 3 cups of Brussels sprouts that I've halved. Okay, I'm going to toss those in there. Now this I'm going to cook it in the end. So have no fear. This is coming. It's just going to be a minute. All right. So I've got my Brussels sprouts in there. All right. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. And we're just going to simmer those up for a minute. Oops. Alrighty. I have a cup of chopped onions. I'm going to go ahead and throw those in there. So far so good. I have a half a cup of bacon bits that I've cooked and I've chopped up. I'm going to throw those in there. And give it a pretty good stir. And what you want to do is you want to wait to the end to add the garlic, because you don't want it to burn. And you want the onions to become somewhat translucent. And you want the Brussels sprouts to be tender. So this takes about 10 minutes. for this all to happen. Now I'm going to add my minced garlic. I'm going to get that juice out of there. So that's 1 tablespoon. And you know what? I think that'll probably be enough, is a 1 tablespoon. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Although I do like a lot of garlic. I don't want to overpower it. Especially because this is the first time that I'm making it. So I kind of want it a little subtle. And if I need to tweak it next time, then I will. Get that all mixed in there. Okay, so the directions say to boil 5 quarts of water, which I'm getting that ready to boil right now. And then it says, remove the gnocchi from the pouch and add it to the boiling water. You got to add some salt, which I will do. And then it says, boil for 3 to 4 minutes until all the gnocchi has floated to the top. And then it says, drain in a colander, which I have here, ready to go. And it says, serve with your favorite sauce. So, that's what we're going to do. If you don't know where to find it, this is like it's like a potato. Well, it is potato. It is potato, and what they do is they cook the potato, and then they strain the potato, and then they form the potato into little tiny balls. That's the gnocchi. But if you want to know where to find it, it's in the pasta aisle in your store. In most stores, it's in the pasta aisle. Down below the pasta, you have the sauces. And about mid-eye level, you have the regular pastas, your macaroni, your ditalini, your spaghetti, your rigatoni. You have all that kind of mid-eye level. If you look up, you just go one way. If you look up, generally you will find specialty items like this on the top shelf. So, I mean, give it a try. You might like it. It wasn't that expensive. It was, I don't know, I think it was like a couple dollars. It wasn't that expensive. So, we'll cook it up. I'll let you know. That's all we can do, right? Okay, my pan is starting to boil, so let's get the gnocchi in there. So it says pour the gnocchi into a boiling water, and then when they come to the top, you're going to take them out and you're going to strain them. I have my strainer already ready to go. They said when they float to the top, they're ready. So cook it about 3 or 4 minutes. 4 minutes. You can see them starting to float up to the top. So they are almost ready. All right. Well, let's just give this a try, shall we? Like I said, I'm always willing to try new things. So I don't know how this is going to taste. So let's try it. Got my gnocchi there. Over my Brussels sprouts there. Here we go. It smells delicious. Oh man. Oh man. That's heavenly. Oh my gosh. Okay. Brussels sprouts sauteed with butter, onions, garlic, and bacon, served over gnocchi. Oh man, this is delicious. I literally, I have no words. This is just so good. Just so good. Anyway, this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Brussels sprouts sauteed in onions and garlic and bacon, served over gnocchi. It is just so good. Alrighty guys, that's it for me today. Be safe, be well, and be kind. Bye-bye.